Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 26 battery drain problem on your iPhone. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version iOS 26 and your iPhone's battery is draining very fast, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some tips which will help you to save battery timing of your iPhone. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general, then software update, and if there is any beta update available like this, you have to update it to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go to iPhone storage and check your iPhone storage. If it is full, then delete some useless data from your device, and then go to apps and delete useless apps from your device as well. So guys, you have to simply do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below, and now you have to go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device all the time. So guys, if you are connected to the VPN all the time, then you have to simply disconnect it and use whenever you need it. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply give a restart to your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and your battery drain problem will be fixed also. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.